Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, check this out. I got these in the mail today. I'm pretty excited to do an unboxing of the Jabra Evolve 65T. So without further ado, let's just jump right in here and crack open the box. Alright, so here, immediately upon opening the box, the Jabra Evolve 65T comes with this leatherette travel pouch. And I can tell right inside the pouch here, I think our hard case is in here. This is the charging case for the headphones themselves. And inside the pouch is also the USB dongle. The USB dongle, of course, is intended for use on your physical laptop or workstation. In addition, provided these are UC certified true wireless earbuds, the USB dongle can also be used in conjunction with such devices as the Cisco WebEx DX70 or DX80 all-in-one desktop collaboration units. Also compatible are things like Cisco Jabra, WebEx Teams, and various other intelligent UC endpoints from other vendors. The Bluetooth adapter does give you a wireless range of up to 33 feet with both your PC and smartphone. The Evolve 65T will allow you to connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time. You can, however, pair up to 8 devices in total. Use of the USB dongle gives you the plug-and-play experience that allows you to have your computer automatically select your Jabra device as the default audio device when using such products as Microsoft Skype for Business. Additional features to answer and end calls, adjust the volume, and mute may also be directly controlled via the earbuds. And down here in the base of the box we have our USB charging cable, some additional ear fittings, and of course the documentation. And that concludes the contents of the box. Now if we take a look at the Hardshell case here and open these up, it's kind of tough to open this up. Let's see here. There we go. And there they are. Check those out. These are pretty slick looking. This particular model here is the titanium black color. I believe these come in 2 other colors. Sapphire blue, I think, and copper, red copper. So let's take these out. Take a look at the charging case. The headphones themselves. Now the documentation says that the talk time on these is up to 15 hours when getting 2 charges from the charging case itself. Otherwise, you're looking at about 5 hours of battery life on a single charge. I'm interested in trying these out due to the cord-free call and music consumption that these devices are going to allow me while working in the office. In addition, it has a 4 microphone ambient noise cancellation technology and wind noise protection that should bode well in a noisy office environment. While there is not an active noise cancellation feature built into these headphones, the ear fittings do provide a nice snug fit within the ear to help block out any additional noise. If one does desire to hear a little bit more about what's going on around them, these headphones do have a hear-through option, which a double press of the multifunction button will allow you to hear more of what's going on in the outside world without taking off the earbud. Also of interest is the Jabra Sound Plus app, which does allow one to personalize the call and music experience with a customizable equalizer inside the application. I have yet to try this out to see how it fares, but I can't wait to give it a try. Lastly, these are compatible out of the box with many of the most popular online voice call services such as Skype for Business, Microsoft Teams, Cisco Jabra, Cisco WebEx, Google Hangouts, Avaya, Alcatel, and others. Be on the lookout for a future video when I have an opportunity to give these a try over a period of time to give them a more fair assessment and review of their performance. For now, thanks for coming along with me for the unboxing of the Evolve 65Ts. Thanks for watching, and please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel.